Ejiofor. Ichi Ejiofor.
Okay. I hope all is well. This one you visited me.
All is well, my brother. I said let me come and witness the killing of the goat now by your son, so that you can give me the head and the leg as promised.
Oh, you are right.
Yes.
It's all right.
Yes.
Okay. Let me go to the backyard.
Yeah. Go and bring it.
And get it so that my son will kill it.
Go
and share everything.
Go and get it.
Hey. Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Huh?
I can't find the goat.
Ejiofor, you can't find what?
I can't find the goat.
How can you say you can't find the goat?
The goat I tied at the backyard. I can't find it again.
I don't believe that.
Huh?
I don't believe that.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
You see with your eye. Huh?
What is going on? Hey, Ejiofor. What is that?
What is? I don't. Eh? Who must have told you? Joseph. Joseph.
Papa.
I can't find the goat I tied at the backyard. The goat, did you see it?
Papa, is it not that woman you introduced me to?
Hey, which woman again, Joseph?
Papa, that woman you introduced me to now, she gave me infection, a very big infection, Papa. Papa, if you see infection, you fear.
But Joseph, what has that to do with he goat I tied at the backyard? Or that called Jinaja?
Papa, I sold that goat to cure the infection.
You saw the goat. Hey!
Papa, see here, that infection was disturbing me. It was disturbing me. So I cannot even pee. I want to pee is a problem, so I have to sell the goat.
Hey! Ejiofor.
Okay. Okay, Fugo. That you saw the goat. Eh? That night. Hey! Oh, get yourself.
Is that good better than my life? Eh?
Yes, the goat is better than your life. Useless son. What are you doing? Eh? Useless son.
Hey! Dezie n'ukwu ewu na isi ewu. Ọ ka esi n'iwe jezi. Ngwanụ.
Come back here.
Izu. How many times did I call you?
Is it my name? Let me calling and I'm dragging you here. Are you mad? You want me to slap you? Wicked friend. Why you so bad? Why? Because of your bad behavior. Choma is no more responding to my toast. Izu. As in your mates now.
Izu, can I go?
You're not going anywhere. They go. Did you say it to me? Look at how wicked you are. Mugu. People will be bad anyhow. Let me talk to Choma now. Let me not see respond. If I see you again, Mwagi is now. Oyambu.
Afternoon. How are you? I'm fine. Who withdrew this 10,000? It's one boy. Why is your face like that? I have not eaten since morning. I thought you usually carry food from the house. Oh, you've not paid me. How am I supposed to cook? Paid quoi? But it's not yet end of the month yet. Huh? So you want to tell me that all these boys that comes to withdraw money here, none of them tips you?
Me? No one has ever tipped me. No one.
Is your case different? But when your friend was here, I usually see boys buying food for her. Some even tips her. So why is your own different?
Ma, please can I ask you for a favor?
Which is?
Ma, please can you lend me money from my salary? If I can eat.
Lend? I don't want to hear stories, so. Achokwa ma akoko. Okay. How we meant tip you.
What is wrong with your daughter? She's been yelling on the phone that she's coming back soon.
Oh, Eva. I thought they've resolved the issue.
What issue?
Just a minor issue. You know how jealous your daughter can be. I heard that she spotted Greg with a white girl in the wedding party and flipped out.
Just that?
Yes, that's what Greg told me on the phone, and exactly what the mother said too. So I think that's what happened.
Okay. But I don't think my daughter is the kind of person that would just flip out at such a minor thing.
Are you trying to say otherwise?
No. Not at all. Well, let them come back.
Definitely, I know they will settle it.
Sure, they will. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes. Whatever you have to do, do it and make sure you return with her. Greg. Yes, look for her everywhere. Search the whole city. Ask her friends. How can you upset her with another woman? Greg, listen. I've told you not to be playing that your silly games each time you go to London. Learn to respect a woman. You and Eva have been close to each other. So for her not to be taking your course, it means you caught her so deep. I mean, Greg, listen to me. Whatever it is, make sure you settle it before returning back to Nigeria. Okay? Yes. It's all right. I will talk to you later. Let me attend to your uncle. Okay, bye.
The work for the first introduction ceremony is fast approaching. Our crown prince ought not to be traveling around the world till the initiation is over.
He did not travel around the world.
But rumor has it that he flew to Dubai, from Dubai to Paris, from Paris to Milano, and now he's in London. So am I not getting it when I said traveling around the world? Indulge me, my queen.
Ichianele, I called you to summon the family members to map out dates for the first introduction. My son may practically not to be present before then, but it doesn't matter.
I know you can represent, or any of his cousins can, but I still stand on the path of him not traveling around the world, at least for the time being.
Ichianele, can you do what I asked you to do and forget about this traveling since it is hard for you to digest? Huh?
I can, my queen.
Good. Take your drink.
I'll be traveling to Abuja tomorrow to represent my company.
Tomorrow? But tomorrow is Friday.
I know. Aww. You're missing me already. I can see it on your face.
Oh, yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So when are you coming back?
Sunday.
On Sunday?
Yeah, because on Monday I should be reporting back to work.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
What is it? You don't seem happy. Talk to me.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm good.
Baby, everything will be fine. I won't be long, okay? I'll be back soonest. Okay?
No, it's alright.
Abby, you're missing me already. It's my baby, yeah. Okay, tell me. What do you want me to buy for you? Anything, mention it and it's all yours. Tell me.
Anything.
Anything? Consider you done. Okay, so come see me.
No, let me drop you off now.
No, baby, I want us to work together. Come on.
Which one is you should work? Let me...
Baby, I insist. I want to work with you. My baby.
Make sure you come back on Sunday.
I will.
I want to transfer.
Why you dey shout? Come this side now. Ha. How much?
I want to 5,000.
Okay, wait, I dey come. Why you dey follow me? Stay there, I say I dey come. Your charge na 800.
What will be 800 now? Charge you they do, if transfer they do, at least if you don't do yourself, you no go pass 100 now or 200, now they tell me 800. Now so they do your own thing.
Oga, if you no wan do, comot. I no get time to dey explain. You go do abi you no go do? Or you bring 700.
Why you talk like this now? Where the other get away every day yourself? Eh?
Oga, get out.
Ma, get out.
I say get out.
No blame me now. Of course I come here come do transfer. So I ain't day. Go bend finish.
Come on, get out.
Waka.
You dey craze. I no blame you. See you shoe. Your mate dey do 50,000, you dey do 5,000. They stress me.
Okay, now. How are you? Are you busy? It's alright. I want you to get my stuff for me. I'll bring it to the hotel. You know my hotel room, right? Okay. I will make the transfer right away. What are you saying? You call it at the mechanic? You want to send your friend? I mean your colleague? No problem. No problem. That's better. I'll make the transfer right away.
All right, Chief. Chief, no problem. I go send her right away. Go na my guy, I trust him. You no get issue, He go come now. The guy no dey even talk too much.
All right, I'll be waiting.
I want me you come go Top Notch Hotel.
Top Notch Hotel.
You know say my car no good, so I want me you go deliver something for someone.
Okay, that big hotel, wetin dey happen there now? Okay, that your oga where you dey buy plenty condom. That your oga where they buy plenty condom for. And wetin the sexual enhancement drugs now where they buy Viagra from.
Guy, wetin be your problem?
That man, he need more. He need more.
Wetin dey do you? I think this man say you don't talk too much. Just buy something, deliver. You can't get here, condom.
It's okay, sorry, but your oga dey try, sha. Sorry.
Everybody know wetin they do. Everybody not saying they use drugs, scatter women. You understand? Every time he's always on drugs.
Na your oga na.
But not be something where we go dey tell am.
Na your oga, no, na your oga. So you want make I go give am?
You go there now, but you know say I won't drop for mechanic, so you carry me go. I go buy the thing, give you. You drop me for mechanic, then go there.
Go give am the drugs.
I beg, no do like say, no do like say you know wetin dey.
I go do like say I don't know wetin dey inside, but your oga dey try. You go where. But the man go pay me, I think.
A big man, na him go pay.
How much be the deal now? Now wetin you suppose to talk first? Now no be this way they talk. How much?
Yeah, you too like money.
Which one between you? I got to like Viagra and condom. What do you mean? I beg, tell me.
I'm going to give us 10K. I will go find you something.
Who go find who something? You don't say only me you trust for here. Only me if you send this message.
I don't understand the kind of friend where you do. What you got to say? We go share am 50-50.
50-50. The highest I will give you now 2K. You go buy am now.
Okay.
Go buy the condom.
Okay, if you buy this thing, don't make this man know what you
No worry. But the condom will go buy and Viagra for your guy.
I don't tell you.
Your guy dey try, no be smart.
If I lose this man, if I lose this contract, I go burn this your car. What I know, you don't dey talk condom.
Hello. Okay, you're in the hotel already. All right, just tell them you're coming to my room. 306. Hello. Where's your guy now? He's bringing his stuff, all right? Okay now, all right. I'm waiting. Yes, dear.
Is that the food?
Not yet.
Oh, baby, I'm starving.
No worry, I'll fix it.
Something. There's something here is too slow, honestly. I think we should try another hotel. Next time.
You know him?
Him? It's just, I do. It's just my taxi driver. That's all.
Is that right?
Yes.
Young man.
Chief. I'm all right. Come here. My Chief.
Yeah.
I can't wait to devour you the second time. Just go in and freshen up and come back to me.
I'm going to show the strength I have never shown before.
Chief.
Yes, dear.
Driver, turn out this music. Need some fresh air. I did not say refuse. I said turn off the music completely. Turn it off.
Auntie, I beg. Wait, I am now. This music is supposed to be louder. The way I am now, this music is supposed to be. It's because of you that this music is like this. So please, I beg.
Listen, I don't give a hoot. Turn this shit off.
Madam, see, you don't have the right to be shouting at you. You don't have. This is my taxi. You understand me? See, I picked you up. Yes, but this is my taxi. So you can't give. Am I your maid? Am I your house boy? Please, am I your gate man? I beg. Please.
Hey, damn it. Just damn it. Do you know who I am? I see you do not love me to steal pictures and everything that you live for. You want to lose your life and your generation, right?
I don't blame you. I blame this country. I blame the stupid country they are in. You understand? Because it's not that the whole thing went to school. Graduated with 2-1. Ended up where? Driving a taxi and picking up somebody who doesn't have manners. Who doesn't have one single iota of respect for nobody. Well, will you be here insulting me and I'm talking to you that do I know who you are? No problem. What?
Was I the one you were talking to? Was I the one who just spoke to in that manner? My friend, turn off this shit! Turn off this shit right now!
Stop shouting. I don't know why you're shouting. Why are you shouting for self? You are going to come down from this car. You're going to come down, no?
What?
I said you're going to come down.
Dare not.
I dare not. Hey, calm down. I don't get time for nonsense. Calm down.
I am not stepping a foot down. I booked you to take me home. And you must take me home.
You are still speaking English. See, I don't have time to speak English with you. Calm down now. I'm telling you, calm down now. You don't want to calm down. Hey, I'll call union boys now. They're gonna get you. You don't say we get close, so they're gonna get you. Calm down now.
Take it easy, please. Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. I'll just.
You are fine. You will keep quiet.
I will be very quiet.
And you listen to music.
Very quiet.
You won't say anything. I don't want to hear anything, no. Thank you.
Please, let's just be cool.
No talk, oh.
Yes.
Oh, we should go. Don't say anything, no.
You didn't know the personality you had in your car. You were wagging your dirty mouth, talking anyhow. You didn't know the personality you had in this dirty car because I bothered you.
Rubbish. Dirty driver. Touts. Wagging your mouth anyhow. Because you had a personality like me in your car. You should be happy. You should be happy riding with the princess of this kingdom. You should be happy. Idiot.
Oh.
Hey.
Bring down my luggage, you fool.
Hey. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, thank you for the introduction. I didn't know that it's this man that gave birth to you. See, please just give me my money. Let me go. I don't have time to even talk to you now.
Hold on. What did you say?
I said you should give me my money. Let me go. I don't want to banter words with you. Just give my money, please.
Such effrontery. Really? So you still have mouth to ask for money?
Give my money now.
You must be insane.
Auntie, Kabek, calm down. What's your problem now? Abeg, give my money. What's wrong with you? You think your father doesn't know me? Give my money, abeg.
Did you just touch me?
Uh-huh.
If you try this one more time, you will get lost forever.
Me, I'll get lost. Give my money, oh. See, this man knows me, oh. Give my money, abeg.
I said if you try it again, you will get lost.
Then give my money. Give me my money. Give my money.
Again.
Auntie, see, this man, everybody here, they know me, oh. I'm not afraid of you people. Let me tell you, we come here to solve case every time. You understand me? My file is full in this house. Your father has my file, plenty. Let me tell you, give my money, abeg. Let me go. If not, you won't have this bag, oh. Let me tell you now. What's it?
Doubts.
Fellow doubts.
I don't have time for dirty people like you. Stink. Don't worry, my dad will come give you your stupid money. Change. That's why you're making noise of change.
I agree.
Idiot.
I agree, fellow idiot. Please tell your fellow idiot guard to bring my stuff. Your people know me. I'm not afraid of you people. Everybody here knows me. They know now my file is full here. Trouble file. You understand me? And you better make sure they bring this thing quick, oh. Bring my money quick. If not, this bag is not going anywhere. This bag is not entering this place. I'll take this bag back to Motor Park, oh. I'm telling you now. Nonsense. Even your father self cannot come and tell me who give me my money. Nonsense family. See the nonsense that our king trained. Don't waste my time, oh, you people. Don't waste my time, oh. My time is money.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. The princess is back. It's a lie. She's back. My love.
Eva.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Eva, come sit. Sit.
My love, you are not looking too good. Igwe.
Mommy, I've had it up to here. I can't continue anymore. I can't. Daddy, I'm so exhausted. I'm having fatigue already.
Right now, you need to go upstairs, take a shower, and then rest. I'm sure you must have had a very long journey.
Yes, Dad.
Excuse me.
Not connecting. I sent Oke to go and deliver something for one of my customers. He never come back till now.
I've been calling him. His number is not connecting. Maybe his network or something.
Anyway, Sha, you know as I work they be now. If you be say you don't go drop something, go carry passenger for road. Now that's how I work they be. So
No problem. I'll talk to you later. Please.
I know Wala now. I go tell and say you fine and come.
No problem.
Bye. Drive safe. Oh.
saying? I came here with it. I can't find it. My sunshade. I have $15,000 in that bag. My jewelry, everything, my passport.
Okay, calm down.
Oh my goodness.
Daughter, it's okay.
I don't know.
All right, calm down.
It's okay,
Calm
my
down.
daughter.
It's okay. Just be calm, okay? Or a taxi, or perhaps someone.
The taxi! The taxi! Oh my God, Daddy! The taxi guy!
Oh, can you recognize him? Where did you bought him from?
He's light in complexion. And, oh my goodness. He said he's shop, he's back, he works, and off my back! Off my back, yes!
Hey, wait, you have to do something.
Then I'll have to tell the guards immediately to go to Fumaba.
Oh, it's okay.
Call them.
Yes, who is that?
Who is that?
Greetings.
What is it?
My princess, a man demanded to see you.
A man?
Yes.
A man?
Yes.
Who is he?
I don't know. He's like...
Get out!
Calm down, my darling.
Oh my God, how do I see? Mommy, John, I can't see him.
Baby, calm down,
please. My
Go
princess,
down and
calm
see
down.
him. Come on.
My international passport, I have my visas on it. Maybe it's him. Maybe it's him. Greg sent you. Well, tell him I'm fine and I'm home. Alright?
My darling,
you can go.
Calm down. Greetings, my darling. Tell Greg that she's home, that she's fine, okay? Please come down.
I was even thinking it's a taxi driver.
It's okay. It's okay.
Come on, princess, calm down. I will ask the guards to go to the park and recover your items.
Daddy, how are we going to see him? Is he the only taxi driver in this village?
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings. That's your bag you left in my taxi. I hope everything is intact. I said I hope everything is intact.
Yes. Thank you.
Can I go?
Yes.
Thank
sure.
you.
My lord.
Are there still some good people like this?
I am still surprised. Okechukwu of all people? This is unbelievable. Anyway, I'll be with my daughter.
I lie, guy. You know what you tell me so?
Will I be lying to you? No, will I be lying to you?
Wait. You're trying to tell me that you saw Rose, the Rose we know, with Chifumba?
With Chifumba. As I couldn't believe my eyes. I mean, I was dumbfounded for some seconds. I just didn't know what to say.
I talk calm. Like say I no talk calm, I talk calm. I tell you say no dey trust these girls, that gender. Why? No dey trust them. Hey!
My brother, one thing I know for sure is this. I can never be caught unawares again. I cannot be caught this cheap again. This one is a lesson. This is a lesson to me.
Wait. You Rose. Oh, to say she be virgin. When they carry herself like say she never even touched man before. Now they flex with Chifumba. Oh, wow. This one shocked me, die.
My brother, it's just it shocked me past you. It shocked me past you. As in, I just don't know how.
Hey! My guy, women. Why? Hey! Bruce. Wow.
Please, I want you back.
Really? What do you take me for? Greg, really? After sleeping with Olivia the white girl? Tell me, Greg, how many times are we going to fight over this? How many times? You left me on that sick bed. You left me and went kissing, sleeping around and smooshing Olivia.
I am sorry. It was all my fault. That is why I'm here. To say I am sorry to you. Please, forgive me. Please.
You pushed me. You pushed me, Greg. For me to leave London and come down to Nigeria all by myself. It's for you to know that you have pushed me overboard. How could you?
Please. I am so sorry. It will never happen again. Please.
Why? Why, Greg? Why?
Please forgive me. Mom, I did what you asked me to do because you asked me to do it. Normal me, I can never do such thing. Because I know definitely she must come back to me and beg. At the end of the day, yes, I believe that.
You must be out of your mind. How dare you brag about cheating on your fiancé and think it's the right thing? How dare you, Greg?
Mom, she left me. She left me. I tried to explain things to her, but no way.
You have nothing. Absolutely nothing to explain. You slept with a white girl. You must be completely sorry for your stupid ass.
Mom.
Yes.
I will soon be a king. Yes. So I have the right to date, marry, sleep with any woman I wish. It's normal.
Can I say something? What am I doing here? Am I supposed to be part of this discussion?
Be quiet.
See, what I'm saying is that...
Be quiet, I'm talking to my son.
What I'm saying is that there is no time. Both of you are here arguing about fidelity and infidelity when we have a huge program at hand. That is my reason to be here. And both of you are here arguing fidelity and infidelity.
Please, help me tell my mother, the queen, that I, Prince Greg, have the right to live my life the way I wish. I am son of a king. And kings don't beg. Mom, this will be the last time I will obey you. Mark my word.
That girl loves you. She respects you so much. To hell with your ego. King my foot.
Mom, I don't bloody care how she feels. That is not my business. Yes. My concern is that she has no right whatsoever to walk out on me. The life she's flexing, I, Greg, gave it to her. So I own her. Please, I don't want to discuss this anymore.
Franca.
Yes, my friend.
Why are you here?
The princess sent me.
Princess Eva.
Yes, my God.
How long have you been standing there?
Not quite long, Michael.
Are you sure?
I told brother that rose of a girl will not be loyal to him, but he didn't listen to me. If you go say Buputala, hey, Mama, that girl is a Ron's girl. Bia, Choma, I'm getting Ron's girl. Mama, Ron's girl, bu coded prostitutes. Hey. They will not be hiding and be pretending. I'm this, I'm a banker, I'm an accountant. If I call you, I be an accountant.
Hey, you always your work. But how can a small girl, I mean a fine girl like that, be comfortable with a man old enough to be her father?
It's not the people that pay them.
Hey!
They give them good money. That's why they're exposing their breasts every time.
One maybe.
What are you doing here? Talk of the devil. What are you doing here?
No, I came to see, okay.
Okay, Bukwagi there. Get out! I say leave here. Leave this place!
Mama, good evening. I'm here to see your son, Okechukwu. It's very important I talk to him, Mama, please.
Mama, happen can buy you a film. Mama, buy you film kita if you don't live here. I say live here. Vamos! I say walk! Okay, I can beg, eh? You can beg.
Only I tell him they
Yeah. Oh, hi. Keya. Shawoli fuck odi.
Hi. But I'm way sick. This is end time. One baby.
Mama, if I lay, she there. If you go to Butala.
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Find true love, hey, everything we miss.
Madam, see, you don't have the right to be shouting at you. You don't have, this is my time. You understand me? See, I picked you up, yes, but this is my time. So thank you. Am I your maid? Am I your houseboy? Please, am I your gate man? I beg, please.
Hey, damn it. Just damn it. Do you know who I am? I see you do not love me just few pictures and everything that you live for. You want to lose your life and your generation, right?
I don't blame you. I blame this country. I blame the stupid country they are in. You understand? Because it's not that the whole thing went to school. Graduated with 2-1. Ended up where? Driving a taxi and picking up somebody who doesn't have manners. who doesn't have one single iota of respect for nobody, well, will you be here insulting me and talking to me that do I know who you are? No problem. No problem. Hey, calm down. Calm down. I don't get time for nonsense. Calm down. Calm down.
I am not stepping a foot down. I booked you to take me home. And you must take me home.
You are still speaking English. See, I don't have time to speak English with you. Calm down now. I'm telling you, calm down now. You don't want to calm down. Hey, I'll call union boys now. They're gonna get you. You don't say we get close, so they're gonna get you. Calm down now.
Take it easy, please. Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. I'll just...
You didn't know the personality you had in this dirty car because I bothered you. Rubbish. Dirty driver. Touts. Wagging your mouth anyhow. Because you had a personality like me in your car. You should be happy. You should be happy riding with the princess of this kingdom. You should be happy. Idiot.
Oh.
Hey. Bring down my luggage, you fool.
Hey. Okay. All right. Okay. Well.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings. That's your bag you left in my taxi. I hope everything is intact. I said I hope everything is intact.
Yes, thank you.
Whoa. Hey. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. Hey, no matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. Hey, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire burning. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. Hey, no matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. Hey, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire burning. Whoa, hey. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. Hey, la, la, la. No matter what them do, yeah. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. Hey, la, 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 my love. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire burning. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. Hey, la, la, la. No matter what them do, yeah. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. Hey, la, 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 my love. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire burning.
And I want to get away.
Izu, my man.
I'm not be your man.
Izu,
How
see.
far now?
Izu, see. I have come to your house before. Even as it is now, I'm going to your house right now. See, Izu, I want to come and tell you that I am sorry for all those things I've done. Please, you know we are friends now. You know we are more like brothers. You know, please.
Who be your brother? Not the same papa bonus.
You know we are more like brothers now. See, you have to forgive me. It's not intentional. I'm sorry.
What do you do? Wait, no, the intentional.
Bobby, I said that bush for change mind, though.
Who is this?
He said, "Oh boy." No, enter bush.
Izu, please. I am the only son, Izu, please don't do this to me.
They go back on that one now.
I don't want to argue. Enter this bush.
Please,
enter bush.
If anything happens to me, my father will be childless.
Yes, now enter make a marry another one.
Izu, please,
for
the sake of my father.
Move on.
I know I've done you bad, but for the sake of my father.
Izu,
please.
I won't speak. I'm done with you. I will not speak. Wait, can I give you my house address for what now? Why? What's all this now? What's all this?
Can you take it easy? I mean, no harm. I just want us to talk.
Talk? Talk about what? No, what do you want us to talk about? Talk about what now?
Okay, at least just offer me a seat. We could...
Offer you a seat? Where? Which one is seat? Which seat? Where? What's all this one now? What?
What's this? Hey, what's this now? Hey, I don't understand this style, you. What's this now? Wake up! I don't like this, you know. I don't like this, you know. Mama, please get water. Water.
Get water, get me water.
Get water.
Get me water.
What is this now?